Looking for a manual for a new Toshiba ML-EC42P SS.
How old is your Toshiba appliance?
Just bought it. But it's not very helpful.
What have you tried so far with your Toshiba appliance?
Need to know how to use the air fryer.
What have you tried so far with your Toshiba air fryer?
French fries, but they didn't work.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Do you have the manual? I assume there is more info somewhere. Need a manual for a Toshiba microwave.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. Here is the manual for your microwave. https://www.toshiba-lifestyle.com/dam/jcre1b14655b5d14543to92bc20cac4694 8/microwave_1.5% 22% 20 manual_EC042A5C.pdf.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.